What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. The truck, it did get a new starter put on it. I don't know if you'll be able to see it right in there. I'll try and zoom in for you real quick. Right there where that shiny new white label is, right there. New starter. It seemed to help a little bit. My girlfriend went to go start it and it acted really funny, so I don't know if I'm gonna have to get a new battery or what. Slowly trying to figure out the problem of it. It's still having weird issues here and there, but it does sound good, so that's all that matters. We are gonna go to the shop down at the farm there. Gotta load hay for a guy, and then I'm gonna show you what has been going on in the shop farm wise and equipment wise, trying to get ready for the hay season. I am gonna be putting shock extenders on the front of this truck once we get the shop cleared out, but I don't know when that will be. Probably, hopefully next weekend. But I am also getting ready to paint a semi for a local farmer. I don't know if you guys would like to see that or not, but I'll probably have Jimmy out. He'll probably paint the frame while I paint like the cab and the hood and everything like that. So I'll show you guys that semi once we get down there, and I'll show you what's in the shop, so stay tuned. Okay guys, we're down here to the farm. I got the guy loaded with hay and stuff. But here's the semi. It's a local farmer or a trucking company called Boatneck Trucking. He wants the big, I don't even know what you call that, wind wing up front taken off. And I have to make a fiberglass piece up front. So what I plan on doing for that is taking a cutoff disc and basically cutting it out or measuring it up to match this. And then I'll fiberglass the corners to hold it. He's gonna put a new grill on it, I believe, because this one's broke, and a new front bumper. But for everything else, I believe we are painting basically the fender. So the fender wrapped down blue, and then everything else is just gonna be white. We're gonna paint the whole truck. Like I said, that piece up there is gonna come off. I'll probably, I don't know if I can, I'll have to figure something out. I might use the tractor and put a pallet on the end of it and raise it up so I can reach across and paint it, instead of setting up a ladder and trying to move the ladder and stuff like that. This is going to be painted outside because right now I don't have a shop big enough, but once we get the new shop put up, I should be able to fit some semis in there. I believe it's like an 11-foot door up there, 11 or 12 foot. It's like an odd size, that's why I want to say 11 foot. But all this will be white. The Royal King supply on the side, I don't know how you guys can see it. Oh yeah, you can see it. Will come off. All the stickers will come off. Jimmy, like I said, is going to be painting the frame, so we're probably going to sand all the frame down, because I mean, you can see that it's pretty nasty. So all that's going to be hit with some gloss black. Like I said, it's just flaking off. So we'll be sanding that down. This piece back here looks new, so I'm guessing they replaced it. But probably be taking the mud flaps off, painting the whole frame. Probably, I think he said he wants the shocks to go black as well instead of the ugly yellow, so I'll be hitting those. Disconnect the hoses, they'll lay those down, paint the back of the cab, and yeah. So if you guys want to see more like on this while I'm doing it, or me and Jimmy are working on it, just let me know down in the comments. We'll try and get footage of the truck and of us sanding it. It's going to be a lot of sanding and fiberglass work. Like here, I got to fix this crack, fix this hole, and fix the front piece there. But enough on the semi. I'm going to take you into the shop now, show you what's going on there. So I'll shut you off and piggyback up in the shop. Okay, we are in the shop. I hope you can see me all right. I did get my enthusiast banner hung up, which is, I love it. But we have my girlfriend Shaylin. She is putting the air breather cap on the tractor. But this has been the latest project. We got LED lights for the side of the belly, so when we're cutting hay at night, we have them here on the fender as well. It literally looks like an airplane when you light it up. And oil change, new spark plugs, everything pretty much to make this thing run better. Just doing a little touch-up paint work. We got new front tires because the one on that side, they were weather cracked extremely bad down the side and it was just going flat. So we replaced front tires, did paint work on the back, and then on the inside, I don't know how you'll be able to see the inside, but put a new seat on it, and that's basically it. We do have one of those lights here on the back, right there, so we can see better. But this winter, once we get the new shop built, we are going to split the tractor right here and then the rain gear off of the starter. We got to pull it and flip it because it's getting wore down. And then when we do that, we're just going to sand it, paint it, and make it look good. But that's basically what's been going on in the shop for like farm related work. We did get a hay tedder bought the other day, put 2 new tires on it, changed some bearings out in it, and then it was ready to go for the field. So not a whole lot of exciting stuff going on. I'm trying to get over to Chad's and get stuff done on the 79, but it's hard when you have stuff like this to get done for your summer job. The 79 is outside though. It does have the hood on it. If you don't follow me on Instagram, it's always down in the description. Be sure to go follow me there. You can see the picture I posted of it. We are getting extremely close on that. I have to put the new leaf springs in the rear end, do a little bit of front end work like ball joints and stuff like that, and then filler neck. I have to get another bolt for the fan on the front, and I think connect a brake line and throw some gas in it. We should be able to start. Oh, I got to get a battery to start it, but other than that, we should be good to go. So if I can get over there and put a good full day's worth of work on it and not run into any problems trying to put those leaf springs and stuff on there, we should have basically that whole rear end done and finished in a day, and then we'll move to the front end, get the front end done in a day, and then just finishing those small on end stuff, and then we'll get it started and I'll get it back over here, get the flatbed pulled off of it, do the work I want to the flatbed, and then we'll go from there. I'm gonna hopefully get the truck pulled in here as far as I can and then just slide the flatbed back so I don't have to take the truck out and leave the flatbed in here, but hopefully we'll have enough room. But anyway, just a short video. Sorry there's not much content going on right now. Like I said, I'm just trying to get a bunch of this stuff done, and then tomorrow, which will be Saturday, I'm going to a farm auction. Might pick up like an old C60 grain truck and do a build on it. Basically paint, bodywork, new tires and stuff like that for a new like farm hauling truck. But I'm not 100% sure. But anyway guys, remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM Man. If you're new, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell notification, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.